asking me to be present at this special occasion. Basically, I thought we would be witnessing the signing of the MOA between the Enga Provincial Government and the State Source Office. But I'm very happy to hear from yourself, AG, that our resident judge, His Honor Justice Graham Ellis, didn't realize that his reached the retirement age, and it's news to me. But it's also, I'm very glad that you and your Judicial Committee have started to extend His Honor's term by 3 years in Enga. Enga is a difficult place. Most judges, because of the perception of the province being what it is today, most don't want to take up the post, but Justice Graham Ellis has been there in Enga before, and now it's served 1 year up there in Enga, and is one who has taken up the challenge and is in Enga. And of course, his presence has brought about calmness, and I think his presence has also brought a level of violence down to a manageable level now. So it is, I think the people have always been waiting for justice to be done, and I see that the people have accepted and welcomed the appointment of the judge in the last 1 year. That's have respected him, and I think widely they know that there is law, there is authority through the judge. So I'm very happy, and I want to thank yourself, AG, Secretary, and those who are in the committee, to seeing that this appointment will go a long way in, not only in Enga, but I think it's for the nation. We have to all, whether we are judge, or we are ministers, we are politicians, public servants, we all have a duty to doing our job. And I think Justice Graham Ellis has demonstrated that if you're committed to your job, you can achieve a lot of respect from the community, and people will respond positively. So this is a good appointment, and I want to thank you and the team for actually allowing Justice Graham Ellis to continue to serve in our province. So that's all I have to say. We will always give him the support we give all the judges when they are in the province. But I said, after the opening of the national courts in the Enga province, I think the presence of Justice Graham Ellis has been very, very positive. So thank you very much.
Governor, you may want to comment on the other judges. You are national leader too, and comment on the other judges. Congratulate them for their.
Of course.
Of course, you comment on them.
As you know, I want to take this opportunity, once again to congratulate the other 3 judges who have been reappointed. Justice Kina Bona, Justice Silas Kaule, and of course Justice Jeffrey Mesa. I think as politicians we actually do not have a lot to do with the appointment of judges. I think in the process you are probably the only one as AG who gets to be involved in the appointment of judges and also see the performance. I can only say that through the system you have been able to see that these 3 judges have performed well, and they deserve to be reappointed. I think one of the critical things that I also realize here is that you are extending the age. Although they've reached the retirement age, you are giving them another 3 years to serve the country, and I think that's very important. We can't allow for active, very experienced judges and other professionals to get out of the service if they are physically and mentally fit to continue to serve our country. Because experience, it takes a while to get experience, and the right experience. And so I commend the committee for actually seeing that these other 3 judges are able to continue to serve the country, and have appointed them. So I want to take this opportunity on behalf of the people of this country and of course our government to seeing that these 3 esteemed judges have been given the opportunity to serve the country for another 3 years, and obviously got given one of the judges 10 years, two judges 10 years. So they're very important in upholding the law and order, law and justice sector in the country. So we can only continue to give them support. And of course, the judiciary, as always, is a third level of government. Sorry, not level of government, in the arm of government. And the independence of the judiciary is so important, for this country. And so when we have experienced judges with integrity in the system, it is important for the country. This is crucial to maintain the country as a strong democracy. So, AG, I want to congratulate you and the committee for extending the term of these 4 judges. Thank you very much.